Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate Broadcast. You're watching the Hacker Show. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to perform 403 bypasses. Okay, that is called 403 bypasses technique. So here, okay, you can see clearly. Here is a request, and I send the request, and you can see I'm getting a message called 403. Now there are numerous methods. Okay, we can perform a bypass. So let's check, okay, using an AI angle. So for example, let's say if you see this AI Recon, right, that is the extension I'm using it, and using this extension, okay, you can identify, like, what kind of application it is. So for example, let's say if I select the thing in scope, for example, let's say if I check, it is already in the scope. Let go, refresh it, and you can see this is the application, right? Now if I ask what kind of application it is, ask AI, and you can see clearly it is checking that, okay, whatever application I'm handling, it will give you the information. You can see clearly the base URL, the application is hosted at, this is likely local or internal network address, indicating a application might be running on development or testing server. Static file, you can see clearly. Application features, you can see here, lab path normalization and potential areas improvement, and so on and so on, right? So we have certain details. So you can see list all API endpoint, identify which technology, programming language or framework are likely used in the application, do any response leak error messages, are there any potential vulnerable endpoint, list all authenticated related endpoint, summarize API structure, are there any potential sensitive data transfer, does the application appear to use session management. So you can see this is already uh, preset questions. Okay, you can see clearly here, right? But what I want is, example, let's say I know that uh, let's say I can copy this thing, okay, and I can simply go to the AI Recon, I can paste here, and on the top, okay, like I can add my questions. Hey, I got this request, and I am sharing the response as well. I want to uh, bypass 403. What shall I do? So imagine, okay, I don't know anything about it, so I'm just checking it, okay, just using an AI. Okay, by the way, within second I can bypass it. Okay, but I'm just teaching you like how to perform a, how to perform reconnaissance using an AI, and how to exploit using an AI. So I want to bypass 403. What shall I do? So example, let's say we'll question mark, and just below that we'll also set the response of this. So we'll go to the repeater, we'll copy this response, and we'll see how the AI recon will help for us. So just ask AI is processing. You can also maintain the nodes, okay, whenever you think that. So I'm also checking the issues. There is no much information on the issues. So you can see it's clear, it created, okay, all this information. So to attempt to bypass 403 forbidden response you are encountering, you can try various techniques that exploit potential weakness in path normalization or request handling. It is called URL encoding. So you can see this is the lab normalization. So if you see the repeater tab, we will simply go right click, send one more time to the repeater. This is a repeater tab, one more time. We'll send a request. You can see this is forbidden. Now we go to the AI recon. It is telling that uh, percentage 2f admin. Okay, so let's copy this. Let's see that, okay, we can and see that, and you can see clearly it is telling that 404 not found, not 200. Okay, so just send the request. Okay, even if you put extra slash here, you can see what we can do with this. You can see it is bypass. Okay, just extra slash. But again, let's try to do with the AI things. Forbidden, go to the AI recon once again. So this is the URL encoding technique. Okay, now I'm simple checking with this area. Go to that repeater, send, you can see it is bypass. Okay, so you can see this AI given to me all this information. So this request, it is not working, but you can see a bypass using this request. Okay, now similar way you can see the lab normalization. So even I can copy this part directly, double URL encoded. So let's go to the repeater. We can right click, not this one, will original request we will be using, send to the repeater. And now in this case we can simple remove that part, lab path normalization. Let's see that lab minus path minus normalization. So path minus normalization, and then we have a slash. So path minus normalization, and then okay, we have this, and send it. You can see it is 404, not bypass. So this didn't work for us. Similar way you can try different thing, right? You can see this is the admin. Even okay, case variation, okay, you can also give a try, like capital admin. So if we go to the repeater and we go to this one, right click, send to repeater, original request, we can try also check this part, okay, as an capital one, and send the request. You can see it's forbidden, admin, and you can see it is still is a forbidden. Okay, so you can just give a try properly and see what exactly is coming with you. So it is 404. Similar way, you can see that trailing slash, so that it already we already did this part. Then we have a dot at the end, so we can go to the repeater and we can simple try with this dot, and see that, see it's 404, but we need to try with the original request. So this is a repeater, we can try with this dot and send the request, and you can see it is bypass. Okay, so this all I think informations are available here. You can just try all these and check it, okay, like how you can bypass. Okay, this how you can perform a reconnaissance. Not only reconnaissance, you can convert into the exploitation. Have a great day. See you in the next hacking episode.